Hi, welcome to Craze. Today I'm cooking chicken curry. So I'm taking like one full cup of chopped onion, and I got like a quarter cup of canola oil, and I'm gonna add the chopped onion in there. So we gonna light brown this onion. Onion are lightly brown, and then I'm gonna add fresh ginger garlic paste, 2, 3, 4 teaspoons. We're gonna cook a little bit, and then I'm gonna add the 2 cardamom. So we're gonna cook a little bit, so ginger garlic can cook, and then we're gonna add the chicken. This is nice and light curry. It's not like, it's kind of like korma, but it's not. It's lighter korma, you can say that. But I like it. It's not too heavy, light spices, not too much garam masala or everything like anything like that. When I was a student in London, and I used to cook. This is the first thing I cooked over there. Talking about a long time ago. And since that is my favorite and my friend's favorite. So we're gonna add the chicken. So you cook the chicken and ginger, garlic, and onion, so chicken smells goes away. We're gonna like, when the chicken color change like that, then we're gonna add the spices. So now chicken is cooked a little bit with ginger, garlic, and onion. You see the color? When the color like that, then you add the spices. 2 bay leaf. Then we have 15-20 black pepper, 6 clove. I'm gonna add that. Then we have paprika, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili pepper, 1 full, like almost tablespoon, what you call cumin and coriander, and it's freshly grinded, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So I'm gonna add it all together. I'm gonna add a little water so everything can blend it. So the chicken and spices are cooked together. Now I'm gonna add the 1 cup of yogurt. And it's all cooking with the medium-high flame. So chicken is almost done. With you can see the spices are cooked, and the oil is come up. When it's all, you see the oil, then it means everything is done. So if you like saucy, you can eat like that. But I like little curry style. So I'm gonna add the water. And then I'm gonna boil it on the medium-high heat. So it depends. If you like saucy, then don't add the water. If you don't, then the curry style, then I like that. So with this, you can eat with bread, naan, or boiled rice. So it give you more flavor. So chicken curry is ready after boiling with the water a couple of minutes. And if you like it, please subscribe and share it. Thank you. And we'll see you in next video.